Picture a holder that isn't just a utility. It's a design statement, a space-saving marvel, and a practical upgrade to your kitchen's organization. The Towel Tide is your partner, turning every kitchen task into a note in the harmonious melody of your culinary space. Let's dive into the design, for the Towel Tide culinary holder isn't just a holder, it's a fusion of form and function. Crafted with precision, its sleek and modern design makes it a standout addition to your kitchen decor. The holder isn't just a place for towels, it's an intelligently designed fixture that seamlessly integrates into your culinary space, becoming a visual delight. It's not just a towel holder, it's an aesthetic upgrade to your kitchen's elegance. But what truly sets the Towel Tide apart is its organizational prowess. This culinary holder doesn't just keep towels in check, it does so with finesse. The adjustable clips and hooks allow you to customize the spacing, accommodating towels of various sizes. Whether it's a dish towel, a hand towel, or even a washcloth, this holder becomes the guardian of towel orderliness. It's not just a towel holder, it's a symphony of organization. Versatility is the Towel Tide culinary holder's virtue. It doesn't just confine itself to towels, it adapts to your diverse kitchen needs. The holder is suitable for hanging utensils, oven mitts, or even small kitchen tools. The compact design ensures that it fits seamlessly into your kitchen layout, transforming wasted space into an organized haven. It's not just a towel holder, it's a multitasking marvel. Installation is a breeze with the Towel Tide culinary holder. No need for complicated setups or a professional handyman. The user-friendly design ensures that you can easily attach the holder to your kitchen cabinets or walls, making it an accessible addition to your kitchen organization. Even during the busiest culinary times, your Towel Tide will remain firmly in place because to the stability that its solid structure offers. It's an easy upgrade to a world of organized culinary cleanliness. It's more than just a towel holder. However, what about robustness? Longevity is given equal weight with style in the Towel Tide. Because it is made of premium, rust-resistant materials, it can survive the rigors of regular kitchen use. Withstanding the weight and abrasion of kitchen tools and hanging towels, the sturdy design guarantees that your towel holder will continue to be a dependable protector.